Sai Ram, Sai Shyam, Sai Ram, Sai Shyam.
Ya Sai. The Sai Satcharita is overflowing with Baba's messages, with his love, his blessings. I think every word has such depth, such meaning. Every time we read it, we get something new out of it. It indeed is like an ocean, and it is overflowing with Baba's pearls of wisdom. And every time we dive inside, something new comes out. I think we have all read the Satcharita hundreds of times, but on every reading, something new comes out, which is so special, so beautiful, a learning, a teaching, or a message. Today, I just felt like sharing with all of you my favorite passage from the Sai Satcharita. There are lots of favorites actually, but there is one which has left a deep impact on me right from the first time I read it. And till date, I think it stays my most transformational passage in the Satcharita. Every time I am wanting direction or feeling disillusioned, I just open page number 100 of the Satcharita and I get my answer. Reading it out for all of you with lots of love and praying to Baba that if you're in doubt, if you're in confusion, these beautiful words direct from Baba solve all your doubts and show you light ahead, show you the path ahead. Loads of love. Here it comes. Ya Sai. Baba's advice regarding our behavior. The following words of Baba are of general welfare and invaluable. If they are kept in mind and acted upon, they will always do you good. Unless there is some relationship or connection, nobody goes anywhere. If any men or creatures come to you, do not discourteously drive them away, but receive them well and treat them with due respect. Sri Hari will be certainly pleased if you give water to the thirsty, bread to the hungry, clothes to the naked, and your veranda to strangers for resting. If anybody wants any money from you and you are not inclined to give, do not give, but do not bark at him like a dog. Let anybody speak hundreds of things against you. Do not resent by giving any bitter reply. If you tolerate such things, you will certainly be happy. Let the world go topsy-turvy. You remain where you are, standing in your own place. Look on calmly at the show of all things passing before you. Demolish the wall of difference that separates you from me, and then the road for our meeting will be clear and open. The sense of differentiation as I and thou is the barrier that keeps away the disciple from his master, and unless that is destroyed, the state of union is not possible. Allah Malik, God is the sole proprietor. Nobody else is our protector. His method of work is extraordinary, invaluable, and inscrutable. His will be done, and He will show us the way and satisfy our heart's desires. It is on account of Rin Anubandh, former relationship, that we have all come together. Let us love and serve each other and be happy. He who attains the supreme goal of life is immortal and happy. All others merely exist, live so long as they breathe. Praying to Baba that he blesses you as you hear these words. Ya Sai, Ya Sai, Ya Sai.
Sai Ram, Sai Shyam, Sai Ram, Sai Shyam, Sai Ram, Sai Shyam, Sai Ram, Sai Ram, Sai Shyam. Ram, Sai